How to read the numbers in Arabic. Honestly, it's pretty simple. Just as you know, we start right to left in everything, right? So when we read, when we write, it's all right to left. And the same for numbers. When we read the numbers, we're going to read them right to left. Examples. For example, we have the number 65. So the way we read it in Arabic is 5 and 60. 5 and 60. So we're just switching. Now, if you know the numbers 1 through 10, then you're good to go to learn the rest, okay? So خمسة وستين 33 تلات وتلاتين. We have to add the and. We do use and in between numbers. We don't say تلات تلاتين, we say تلات تلاتين. 98 تمانية وتسعين. Now, when you want to read the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, the numbers, if you notice, they're going to rhyme. There's consistency in like a lot of things in Arabic, actually. So, first one is عشرة, 20, 20. Now they're going to sound the same. So, 3 تلات تلاتين, أربعة أربعين, خمسة خمسين. So, خمسين is 50, right? أربعين is 40, 30 is 30. ستة 6 ستين 60. So if you notice, we're ending the numbers with in, okay? So سبعين 70, ثمانين for ثمانية ثمانين 80, 90 90, and 100 is different. 100 is مية. I hope this was easy. Honestly, I have been like, I spent time in the US more than I spent it in where I was raised in Jordan. But until this moment, math for me, I always switch it to Arabic. Always. It's just like I just switch it. I do it in my mind, like I do it in Arabic, and then I put the answers in English. I know it's a little confusing, like here's right to left and left to right, but in the end of the day, math is going to be same answers, whatever language you're using. So, um, yeah, so it's a little confusing, but it is important to read the numbers correctly. So I hope this helps. Let me know. Always send me messages and emails. Let me know what you like to learn. If you have any questions, and check out my workbooks in my Etsy shop, Aralola. They're really, really helpful for all levels. Thank you.